sure it's going to be an amazing journey going forward, because this is just the beginning. But before we do that, I really want to acknowledge and thank Tim Sullivan for a lifetime, as we've heard, of dedicated service to the MTA and to the Brockton local. He serves the community in many ways, and I'm sure he's going to continue to do so, and I'll be looking forward to consulting with him as we move forward. So let's give one more hand for Tim Sullivan. Many people, far too many to name, who've worked on the campaign, who invited me into their homes and into their locals, sent messages of support, held signs, or voted for me. This has been a grassroots campaign, and we will be looking to bring that same approach to the union as a whole. I'm going to be out there in locals, meeting with people, and facilitating real conversations with educators. I ran on a slogan, a new voice for the MTA. I am not that voice. You are. The postcard that the campaign sent out told Helen Keller, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. People should not look to me as the person who will solve our problems. In the words of Ella Baker, the godmother of the student wing of the civil rights movement, what we are looking for are not strong leaders, because as she said, strong people don't need strong leaders, and educators are some of the strongest people I know. Instead, Ella Baker said, people need to understand that they cannot look for salvation anywhere but to themselves. That's what a union is. We learn how to develop our collective capacities, how to bring out the leadership, imagination, and empathy that is within each of us, how to multiply that many-fold through our solidarity, and how to develop our collective voice. I didn't win this election myself. I won it with the support of all of you, and I won't be able to govern effectively if you look to me for solutions. Our union needs all of us to be involved, all of us to be in discussions about what problems we face and what we can do to respond, and all of us to feel empowered to take action. If together we can build that kind of union, we can continue this amazing journey. I'm so excited. Thank you very much.